The last topic that we are going to cover in this chapter is heat zones. Now, when we were doing latitudes, if you remember, we had studied a few important lines of latitude. In order to learn heat zones, we need to recapitulate those 5 lines of latitudes. What were they? One was the equator, 0 degrees. See, equator is one latitude that is neither in the north nor in the south. So we don't say 0 degrees north or 0 degrees south. Same with prime meridian. Prime meridian divides the earth into eastern and western hemispheres. So it is 0 degree longitude. We don't say 0 degrees east or 0 degrees west. Alright, now coming back here. Equator 0 degrees. Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere with a value of 23.5 degrees north. Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere with a value of 23.5 degrees south. The Arctic Circle 66.5 degrees north. The Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south. North Pole 90 degree north, which is just a dot, and South Pole 90 degrees south, just a dot. Now, this portion of the earth between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn receives the direct rays of the sun. Equator is the hottest region we know. It receives the direct rays of the sun. During summer, Tropic of Cancer receives the direct rays of the sun. And during winter, Tropic of Capricorn receives the direct rays of the sun. So all throughout the year, spring, summer, autumn, winter, the direct rays of the sun are always concentrated between 23.5 degrees north and 23.5 degrees south, making this region the hottest region of the world. This region is known as the torrid zone. Now we come to this one. Let's skip the one in green in between. The region between Arctic Circle and North Pole and the region between Antarctic Circle and South Pole remain freezing cold all throughout the year, no matter what. They receive the most oblique rays of the sun and therefore are the coldest places on the earth. They are snow covered perpetually, the soil is frozen, and living conditions are extremely harsh because of the extreme cold. These two freezing areas between 66.5 degrees north to 90 degrees north and 66.5 degrees south to 90 degrees south is termed as the frigid zone. And sandwiched in between the hottest part of the earth and the coldest part of the earth is that portion which is neither very hot nor very cold. I'm not talking about the seasonal differences that we have. In general, it's neither very hot nor very cold, and therefore this area is with an equable temperature is known as the temperate zone of the earth. So the 3 heat zones of the earth is the torrid zone that lies between 23.5 degrees north and 23.5 degrees south, the temperate zone that extends between 23.5 degrees north and 66.5 degrees north, 23.5 degrees south to 66.5 degrees south, and lastly the frigid zone, which is near the polar areas, that is 66.5 degrees north to 90 degrees north, 66.5 degrees south to 90 degrees south.